Traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody is okay. So I have a very new strategy for the open strategy, which is a scalping strategy, also a very nice strategy, and which I have been using for a few days, and it is working perfectly. It is a 98% accuracy because there's no any strategies 100%, guys. But while using this strategy, is a very nice strategy, and you can use it on scalping the over under market just using the trading view in only one indicator, and which I'm gonna show you right now. So what you need to do is to come and log into the dollar print site, then on the free bots you're gonna use a very nice bot, which is the derivative wizard. Let me load it. Derivative wizard, so you can search it here, this bot. Load the bot like that. So that this is the bot, very nice bot, and you must switch it to over 2 digits, which is the over under. Nice. So on these risk management part, these are according to your account. As you can see, my account is at $456. So I can stake it with your $50, and win amount also to be the same, $50. Expected profit is okay, stop loss is okay. Martingale level, you can use a martingale of 2 because of the recovery, very nice. And the prediction, I'm gonna check after the analysis. So now let's go to the analysis. Click on the analysis tools, then click on these. We're gonna use the trading view to analyze our market very well and to ensure everything is okay. So the first thing you need to do is to add the time. So if you put the time on these trading view, just click on this icon, the setting icon, then click on the scales and lines like that. Scroll what is written countdown to bar close, click it, then click OK. As you can see, the time has already appeared here. So switch the candlestick to 1 minute time frame like that. You can use it 3, 2, but especially use it on 1 minute time frame. Then the indicator is the moving average, this one. Okay, the first, this indicator, which is the moving average only without anything. So these are the condition. These are the condition, guys. So the first thing, if you want to trade the over market, the over 2, over 3, over 2, over 3, ensure the candlesticks are above this moving average and they are green, only green candlesticks. The second thing, if you trade the under 7, under 8, under 9, or under 6, under 6, under 7, under 8, and under 9 market, ensure the candlesticks are below the moving average and the red candlesticks. Okay, and as I said, if you want to trade the over 0, over 1, over 2, and over 3 market, ensure the candlesticks are above the moving average and these are green moving average. So that's it. I just need a very nice market with the first. So let me go to the river and click and set the H to 1S market because I like trading on this 1S market. So as you can see in here, you have a very nice setup, which there we have these green candlestick, and also it is above the moving average. So we can trade the over 2, trade over 2, over 3, over 0, over 1. Okay, so I'm gonna come to my bot and set it 10-1S over. Let's start with over 1 first. Come on the analysis tool again, the trading view, then set it again so that I can show you on how to get the entry point. The entry point matters on this strategy, guys, very. The entry point matters a lot. So it is will 10-1S, and I just want to show you not to trade using the entry point now, although the market has already changed. So I'm gonna wait. If it changes to be a down market, I'm gonna switch. So let me show you on how you can get the entry point. So we have these numbers which is being displayed by the moving average. The moving average is as these bluish color. As you can see, it is blue. So if you change the color, it also changes. Okay, so let me show you. As you can see, nice. Let me use these. I just want something to not confusing you guys. Nice. So this is my moving average. It is golden color, as you can see. So the entry point is to wait for the last two digits to match. The last, as you can see, 00 like that. Then you go in. Okay, so the market is above the moving average, so I'm gonna wait for it to match like that. Then you go for over. So this is the last digit. Let's wait like that. Run the bot very fast, and as you can see, the first run is a win. The second run is also a win. That's also one. That's how you do it. As long as these, let me go to it to the analysis tool again. Let me switch again to the analysis tool so that I can show you what I mean, and what I mean to mean as to match. So as long as the two numbers, I don't know how I'm gonna, nice, as you can see we have 73311, nice. So as long as they match, 22, that's an entry point, that's the entry point. 33, that's the entry point, not the 7856, that's not the entry point. So 22, another entry point, 22, another entry point. So I'm gonna wait like that, run the boat, come and see another win. As you can see, 3 win, double wins, just using only one indicator. Okay, so that's the entry point. The entry point, we're gonna use it from the moving average. So let me switch now to over 2. Over 2, come on the freebots again. Now not freebots, come to the analysis tool, sorry, then trading view. So on the over 2, I just want to show something different, of which like it too. So for you to trade the over 2, you can check the volatility 10. For you to trade the over 2, we need a very strong candlestick like this one, not the starting candlestick. So you can wait for the timer and it will start to reach those early 15 seconds from early 20 seconds here, because it will be ending candlestick. So you can wait for it. Let me decrease so that it will be visible. 00. So you're gonna wait for it. No, this is not the best, this is not the right candlestick, so I'm gonna wait for a green candlestick to appear so that I can trade the over 2. So let's wait and see, because the strategy works, guys, especially for the over 1, over 2, and over 3. I haven't tried it on over 4, but it is an eat and run for over 2 and over 1, but very nice. So as you can see, you have a very strong candlestick for these green candlestick. It is a bullish candlestick. So I'm gonna wait for these to reach at the early 20 seconds. So it is at 0039. So just wait for 0020s. Then wait for these match like that. 00, another match like that. 44, 00, another match. You can see 22. No, I'm gonna wait and take my run. 9944. Wait for the next match. 22, run the boat. You can see another win. One run, stop the boat. So that's another win. using only one strategy. And why is this? Why is my balance like this? Because it was more. Oh, it was at 400. So that's how you do it, guys. So for the over 2, just wait for the early 00 of 20 seconds. That's why I shown you on how to set the timer so that you can know when to trade the over 2. You can wait for another run, take another run, like that, guys. So that's how the strategy works. So let me switch to another market and find another run. So we're gonna switch to a market without 1S. We'll look for the under market with nice. There is a market like this, although it is not. We need a very strong candlestick so that you can trade the under market. Ensure you not use this small candlestick like this one. The start, not use the small candlesticks. Ensure use the strong candlestick like this one so that you can get the correct while the market has momentum, because that's when you get the correct entry point and also the correct market. So let me check for another market because I want to trade the under market without 1S. So this is an over market. So the strategy is very nice, guys, and I flipped yesterday's $100 using the same strategy, although I was using the switcher bot, but I'm gonna do a video about that again. Another market for over. As you can see, the candlestick's kind of strong. This is a very nice market for over. And let's see, when you see these the moving average, the last two numbers are the same. You can trade the over 2 or over 1. You can just wait and see. Do not run the boot while it hasn't appeared, guys. Just be patient and wait, like that. Nice. That's it. And the reason why I told you to use this bot because it is very fast. It's very fast, guys. So just use it because that's why I recommend using the derivative bot. The derivative wizard. Very nice board. So let me check for another market, which is the under market. If I don't find it on this non-volatile market, I'm gonna switch to 1S. Nice. Now so you have a market with 75. So I set my board. While you find a market, just set the board first. Under. Let's start with under 8. Come on the analysis tool again and switch to the derivative. So if you have two gadgets, it will be very easy for you. You can use a phone and analyze with your laptop or a computer. So, and do not forget the entry point is from the moving average. Okay, so let's wait for a good momentum candlestick. Nice. So this is the way I'm gonna find the entry point, this on this moving average. So let me be ready. 0815 59 69 14 22. Run the boot. I'll start with a loss. So even in case of a loss, you can I did not this over this unders. Sorry guys, I did not set the boot. You can see it took under 7 under 8. Oh. But the market is okay, the boot is okay, everything is okay. Oh, I didn't change the prediction here. So sad, guys. I thought I changed the only thing the martingale, not the prediction. So ensure you change everything correctly, guys. That's not good, but it's okay. $50 you're gonna recover, no worries. So it is volatile 75. Yeah, $50 gone because of not setting the bot well. So ensure you set your bot very well, guys. So let's look for another. You can see we have another nice market with the momentum. So let's see. Though it is changing, kinda changing. Let's do it nice. Nice. 3-3. Run the boat. The first run is a win. First run is a win. So this lose, guys, but it's okay. Sometime if you don't set your boat very well, you'll be complaining like me, but it's okay. I am gonna recover soon. So I can check for another entry, which is these on this moving average, the blue one. So if it matches, and while the candlestick is a red candlestick, just under. So let me wait. It's a very nice strategy, guys. Very sure. As we have seen, no loss. Only the loss which came was because of I did not set the board very well. But according to the strategy, it was a win because it was digit 5. Another run. Nice. You can see, very nice. 2 runs. All correct, guys. So ensure you trade these strategy on your demo first. Practice it with demo, then switch to your real account. So let me go to the under 7 now. Under 7, so that you can recover with 2 runs only. But I'm not in loss, guys. As you can see, I'm still on profit. $15, not bad. Though from $500 to 470, that's kind of it, but it's okay. So come to the analysis tool again, and on the trading view, I'm gonna look for market with 1S now, so that you can do the under 7. Very easy strategy. That not nice. That's an over 15 1S. And the best thing about this strategy, it cooperates on all markets, guys. So it doesn't see 25 1S still. 31 is, let me check. Every market here is an over market, over 2, over 1. So you can start with an over 0, then over 2, over 3. So you have a market here with the volatility 50. So let me set on my board volatility 51s under 7. So I remember very well to change the prediction now. And in case of a loss, you can wait for a recovery. In case of a loss, you can wait for a recovery, guys. Do not fear the market. As long as you have seen the analysis is okay, everything is okay. Just need to wait and believe in yourself, because it usually works, guys. As long as you believe in yourself, it will work. This is 25. So it is like this, guys. Nice. So let me wait. So this is where I'm gonna find the entry point. Yeah. So as I said, on the over 2 and under 7, just wait for the early 20s, from 20 to 10 there. Wait for the entry point there. So the market will be closing. So like that's the run. About nice run, nice win. As you can see, another win. So the strategy is working, guys. Another run there, but I did not enter there. The candlestick is over, so 0001 now trades. Just wait at the early 20s from 20 seconds. Just check on this 00. It is 0020. You can now look for your entry point there. You can take 2 to 3 runs or 2 runs and call it a day, guys. So thank you, guys, and ensure this. I hope this video will be helpful to everybody. Thank you so much, guys. I have seen so many of you you have added some subscription. Thank you so much for following me, guys.